I don't know.
Beaming.
I thought it was like a seed or a little bud off a flower or something.
No, it's alive.
But then when I pinched it, it like
Watch it. It's moving back where
it's like
you
a
put
ball of pollen that's alive.
it. You have to look it up online.
What the hell? Oh, I can see its little legs moving.
Yep.
It's like little hairs under
It
it.
looked like it had eyes looking up at me. I stared at it so long. No, she can't touch it. There's no way.
What the fuck kind of bug is that?
Don't know. You have to look it up.
What?
Man, look at this.
What's your coffee? You know, don't touch it. It'll fall apart.
Make a TikTok of it.
Okay.
Watch the coffee.
It's like a little hairball or a ball of cotton candy or something walking around.
Yeah, don't kill it. We got to find out what it is. It might turn into...
There's like little tentacles coming off of it.
It's moving all over the place, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks like something that belongs in the sea. Like it's SpongeBob.
You never know. It might get bigger.
We found a real life SpongeBob.
Mightn't it?
It's coming off of it.
It's moving all over the place, ain't it?
What the Yeah, it heck? looks like something that belongs.
Look, if you look at it this way, it looks like it's got eyes and a nose. Right there. If you look at it real careful this way, it's got a face on it.
I see little black spots in it, but
It's got two little black eyes and a black nose.
no,
I've seen it.
the little black, there's just black spots.
Yep.
See it on the camera? What
I
the
can
heck
see
is
it,
that?
Tim.
It looks like mold. It's like a ball of living mold.
I think it's
It couldn't be.
It's the blob.
Mold don't walk around.
Maya, it's the blob.
The blob.
Yeah, it's gonna grow into a big gigantic thing and eat Logan.
We'll come out here tonight and that thing will be down in there somewhere.
I've never seen nothing like it in my life.
Look at it. Oh, it's fixing to fall off the
It's got to
edge.
be some kind of spore, like spores or something. I picked it up and I didn't see. I thought it was an ant packing it
You
at
can't
first,
pick it up, it'll fall apart.
but there wasn't nothing under it. That thing is moving on its own, walking
Yeah.
around. It's
Right
about to
here's
fall.
where he set it down. See that green? And it's moved from there over here and then back and then over here.
Yeah, I set it right there and it's
Yeah.
walked over there,
Y'all don't pick it back up.
then all the way back over here.
I swear that thing's got two eyes and a nose. I've seen it. It's eating that.
green spider.
It's moving all over.
If that was a spider, why wouldn't you be able to see its legs?
That's not a spider.
I don't know what the heck it is. There it goes. Yeah, it looks like something that belongs in the sea. Make a new TikTok, man.
Oh, I just want to know.
Did you upload that one?
Yes. It's
You
right
never know, it
here.
might get bigger.
It's on the side of the shit, what are these things called?
Okay.
Wagon. It's climbing up the wagon.
Hang on, hang on.
Mom, come here. Mom!
Hey, look at it!
What the heck, man? Have you ever seen a bug like that?
No, it's about to fall.
Does it look like a bug or a ball of hair or something?
Oh, no, don't
It climbed all the way up it. It ain't gonna fall.
Let's put it in something and take it in the house. Get over there on my hand.
What if that thing can sting you?
Okay, I got him up.
It looks like broccoli.
Broccoli?
Yes,
So can I
broccoli.
just tell you,
Yep.
I've been here my whole career here at
'Cause
Price Right.
that's
You're the first
steel.
one to go
What,
down
since she
under
picked it up, look,
and
this piece is
so
falling off of it.
congratulations.
Since she picked it up, it'll take it a minute to start walking
$500
around
for
again.
you.
It was probably scared.
Oh, George. Yes. Go ahead.
How about
What
a
is
very
it?
American
It's a walking flower.
A green